Hi, my name's Bonnie.
And I'm Joel, and we're from Minnesota. And we have a little LLC called J.D. Henley Creations. And we've been coming to school for 4 or 5 years. What I like about the school is, well, first I was very intimidated. I found the school and I wanted to take a finishing class. And the first class I ended up taking was a Sam Maloof chair class with Marc. And I was so excited but intimidated also. And we've been coming two classes a year for the last 4 or 5 years, and we just love the wholesomeness of the school. We love the environment, the like-minded people that are here, and learning something different, things that I never ever thought I would do. I've been a woodworker for my whole adult life, and I'm doing inlay with Steve this week, and I never thought I'd do something like this, so it's really, really exciting. And Bonnie, what was your favorite class?
I think so far my favorite has been probably the marquetry and parquetry. And we, like Joel, I've learned a lot of things that I never thought I could do. And every class feels intimidating because we have such world-renowned instructors. But after the first day or so, you really get a comfort level and they're with you every step of the way. And we always take away skills that we can use one way or another in the business, and we really love it. It's been just a fantastic opportunity for us.
Yeah, you know, and the staff here is just wonderful, you know, and they hold our hand when we need it. They help keep us out of trouble, so, you know, not making mistakes. But it's just exciting to learn something new all the time.
Yeah, it's been great. We love it. We're working towards our masters. It'll take us, we have about another 4-year plan to get there, but we're really excited to learn the things we do along the way.